Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on your Dodge Ram 2500. First, let's prepare for the task ahead. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. For safety, always ensure your truck is completely off and the hood is open. Wearing gloves is also a smart idea to keep your hands clean and prevent any oils from touching the new bulb directly. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Begin by carefully removing the plastic radiator shroud. Just pop out the retaining clips. Next, you'll unscrew the four 10mm bolts from the top of the grille, then gently unclip the bottom to take the entire grille off. With the grille out of the way, remove the two 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. With the headlight housing now loose, reach through the wheel well access panel to release a crucial locking tab. Now, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward and carefully disconnect the electrical harness. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. When installing the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare hands, then twist it clockwise to secure it firmly. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical harness to your new headlight assembly. Carefully align the headlight and push it firmly back into its mounting points until it clicks securely into place. Reinstall all the 10mm bolts, then secure the grille and radiator shroud. Finally, turn on your truck's lights to ensure the new bulb is working perfectly. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.